Hey guys, so it's Carson back at Carson's RCs, back at it with the RC helicopter. And today we're gonna fly it, and I'm gonna show you if it's worth it to buy if you want to buy it, and if maybe you want to get one yourself. So let's stop talking and get into it. Okay, I want to make sure you guys can see that fine because the way I have this mounted on for my phone, it's weird. Oh god. Yeah, this thing's really not easy to fly at all, I can say that. Okay. Also, thanks for the 26 subscribers. We are getting very close to 50. Once I hit 50 subscribers, we can start doing live streams. Oh god. This thing's hard to fly. Like, I'm going full throttle forward and this thing doesn't go forward that easy. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I almost posted a short, I didn't end up doing it because I thought, whatever. But this is what I'm talking about. It wants to break off easily. Alright, we're gonna go in and fix this, and our guys put you back on when we finally did fix it. Alright, we got it fixed. Also, this throttle is incredibly sensitive. Let's try it again. This thing's really not easy to fly, and there goes the tail again. Yeah. I would not recommend this thing at all. I think it's much harder to fly than I really thought. Yep, that is not working at all.
Give me all the cool toys. Oh, you're not gonna fly it?
Well, I was flying it, but it's honestly, it's not really working too well out here. I think that's not what I fly anymore. This thing kind of scares me a little bit. I had a more like colder one. Jesus.
My son had a drone and he crashed into the neighbor's tree, and I think it's still up in there.
Oh. Oh, really? Okay, things I would say about this RC helicopter. It's not really too well in the wind. As you saw, the rotor actually broke. I'm gonna flip it around. Yeah, as you saw, this actually broke. It's now like moving in multiple spots. Now for $100 helicopter, this thing really isn't. I mean, it says it's meant for outdoors, which I thought it was when I opened it. But this thing seems more like it's more meant for indoors. But if you were to fly this indoors, you have to be careful because literally this, if you just put up just literally this a little bit up, it will instantly start turning. So if you do end up getting this, make sure you be careful when you turn this on. Make sure the throttle is pointed all the way down, because even the littlest amount of movement will turn it on. And if you do fly it, make sure to fly it where it's completely not windy, because this is not working out too well. But there you are, the RC helicopter. Not too good quality for a $100 toy, but you can always get it yourself if you want to get it yourself. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below if you enjoyed the video and if you enjoyed the videos I do make. See y'all guys in the next video.